Welcome to Magical Drawings Channel. Firstly, I am going to draw a tooth. It's very easy. Now I am going to draw its two cute eyes, its eyebrows, and then I draw its mouth. Do you know what I am going to draw? Yes, you are right, it's a toothbrush. Now I am going to complete this drawing. It's time to do some magic. Now I am going to draw another hygiene habit. Firstly, I draw his eyes, then eyebrows, and his smiling mouth, shape of his face. Then I draw his hair. So cool! Now I am going to draw his arms and hands. Let's draw a bathtub. Do you like to take bath in a bathtub? It's fantastic! Let's draw pipe and shower control. Superb! I am using this black marker to make my drawing more beautiful and lovely. Good job! Look at the tooth! It looks so funny! It's time to do some magic! Oh, the magic is so amazing! Now it's time to color it. Firstly, I am going to color this cute tooth. Red color for its mouth. Black for its eyebrows. I use yellow! I'm using orange color for toothbrush handle. And gray color for this. Brilliant! Let's color this cute boy. Black color for his hair. I'm using brown marker for his skin. Blue color for water. Orange. And parrot green for the bathtub. Wonderful! Red. Purple. Now I am using yellow color. It's amazing! This video, do not hesitate to like it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video! Thanks for watching!